Hi guys, so today I'm going to do another unboxing video from the things that I bought from Amazon. So this is the iPad case, so let's check it out. I ordered like two days ago, and it's already arrived this morning. It's supposed to arrive like tonight, but it's coming earlier. So let's check it out. Ooh. Oh, how about the color? The orange color. I really love the color. It's auto never miss a deal. So I bought it like $12 on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. It's because it's got like discount 4 to 5%. Ooh, so nice. So that is it. Oh, look at the color. Really love it. On the video it's not really bright, but actually it's pretty bright orange here. It's like a peach. So it's pretty simple. So here they have more stickers. Very cute. Like they have a lot of panda, sound sheep, lion, and everything. They give me 2 stickers. Isn't this cute? I definitely will put it like into my iPad. Ooh, and this one they also give like for the cover, for the camera cover on behind. Oh, they give it too. Oh, this one like for another iPad who has like only one camera bullet, and this one they have 2. It's because like this cover can be used for different kind of iPad. Yeah, but why they have like I think that's fine. So but on the back it's not really clear actually. Maybe I can do the cleaning a little bit, or maybe because they have like the I know, it's because like this one you can put it up to see whether it's clean or not. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit cleaning on the inside just to make it like very clear. So, yeah, I like the colors. So I'm gonna put my iPad Pro over here. I hope it fits well. Oh, good. Oops, one more. It's a little bit tight though. Oh, yeah, it fits perfectly. It's from behind, from in front. I like the color. This one, so it's like a clear case behind, and then they have like these small places where you can put the Apple Pencil there. Let's try whether it is. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly. So it's also like helping the whether you want to turn off or turn on the iPad. Like this one will be off and then on. It's really cool. Yeah, it's fit perfectly. Now I'm gonna remove the cover behind. Oh, wow. Oh, it's very clear. It's very clear. see, it's more nice. Actually, they have another layers inside, so I'm gonna pull it off again. I didn't see that. Not sure before, so I will put it out. So it's put perfectly, so it's actually clear. It's quite hard to pull it up. Okay, gotcha. Ooh. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's now more clear, like this. So, wait a second. I need to clean the back of my iPad, I mean. It's because like that's so clean, because I already using this iPad like almost half year, so I'm trying to get like to find a good cover, but I never find it one until finally I saw this one on Amazon. I'm just afraid. Alright, it's pretty clean. Let's put it back. Alright, one more. Here we go. Now we're talking. See, it's fit perfectly. See, it's nice. I like the color. Orange, like orange. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I will do another video next time. See you. Oh, I will put the link on my descriptions if you guys interested to buy this one as well, so you can check it out on Amazon. It's really nice, very clear. Alright, thank you for watching. Oh, one more time. This one, I forgot. The camera. I just want to make sure that alright, so this is the camera. I hope it works. How to put it? Wait, like this? Oh yeah, it's wrong. Is it? I'm afraid that is not the right way to do. Haha. I'm not sure whether it should be from the inside or the outside. It should be like this though, but it doesn't really. See? Oh, am I doing the wrong way? It's because it's not really going. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this, I think. Or maybe from the inside. Not sure. I'll figure out later on. But this one is already pretty good. And I think it can be like this as well. So also, if you want to watch something when you want to do right over here, you can definitely do this or this one. It will work properly. Bye. See you in the next video.